Hello and welcome. Today's topic, LanguageCert Academic Reading Test Practice. Let's go. Are you preparing for your LanguageCert Academic Reading Test? Do you want to build your confidence and make sure you're ready to pass with a top score? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're not just taking a practice test. We're on a quest together. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to tackle 10 brand new questions designed to help you prepare for the test. Let's go. We'll face this challenge as a team. So get ready. I'll show you a short passage, then a multiple choice question. You have a few seconds to think, but feel free to hit that pause button. Then we reveal the answer and an easy to understand explanation. Let's do this. So, welcome to this LanguageCert Academic Reading Practice Test. I'll give you short texts, questions and options. Pause the video, choose your answer, and then check with me. LanguageCert Academic Reading Practice Test. 10 questions with answers. Sample quiz. Reading. Passage. In recent years, universities have increased the number of online courses they offer. This shift has been driven by advances in technology and the need for flexible learning options. While some students prefer face-to-face interaction, many enjoy the convenience of studying from home. Question 1. What is the main reason universities increased online courses? Passage. The world's population is growing, but food production has also improved due to modern farming techniques. However, experts warn that climate change may affect crop yields in the future. Question 2. What concern do experts have about the future of farming? Question 3. Passage. Modern city planners are increasingly focusing on green spaces like parks and urban gardens. These areas help improve air quality, manage rainwater runoff, and provide residents with places for recreation and relaxation, which is important for public health. Question. According to the passage, what is a benefit of green spaces in cities? Answer. Question 4. Passage. The invention of the internet has completely changed how people find information. Before, a person had to go to a library to research a topic, which could take hours. Now, a search engine can provide a vast amount of information in seconds. Question 4. What is the main difference between finding information now and in the past? Answer. Question 5. Passage. The shift to working from home has created new challenges and opportunities for businesses. Companies save money on office space and employees save time on their daily commute. However, Some find it difficult to separate their work life from their personal life. Question 5. Answer. Question 6. Passage. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth, covered almost entirely by a thick layer of ice. Despite the extreme cold, it is home to a surprising amount of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and various species of seabirds that adapted to the harsh environment. Question 6. Answer. Question 7. Passage. The popularity of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power has grown significantly. Governments are encouraging this trend with tax credits and grants, as it is a way to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. Question 7. Why are governments promoting renewable energy sources? Answer. Question 8. Passage. The use of smartphones has become widespread. While they are great tools for communication and accessing information, health experts have warned about the potential negative effects of excessive screen time, such as eye strain and sleep disruption. Question. Answer. Question 9. Passage. Libraries are no longer just places for books. Many now offer digital resources, community workshops, and public computer access. These changes meant to make libraries more relevant and useful to a modern community with different needs. Question 9. How are modern libraries changing? Answer. They are providing more digital resources. Question 10. Passage. The ancient Egyptian pyramids are one of the most famous structures in the world. Historians believe they were built as tombs for the pharaohs and their consorts. The immense size and precision of the pyramids show the high level of skill and organization of the ancient Egyptian civilization. Question 10. Why were the pyramids built? Answer. As tombs for the pharaohs. How did you do? Did you ace the reading section? Please let me know your score in the comments down below. This journey is just the beginning. If you're preparing for a UK visa, a university application, or simply want to improve your English skills, practice is key. If you want me to create practice tests for listening, writing, or speaking, just say so in the comments. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and share. It helps us reach more test takers just like you. And I'll see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.